Flying cars are no longer a dream. These 5 real flying vehicles may launch by 2026. Number 5. The EHang 216 from China. It's a fully autonomous passenger drone. No pilot needed. Just enter your destination, and it flies you there. It can travel up to 22 miles and is already flying in Dubai in Europe. Number 4. Volocopter 2X. From Germany, an electric air taxi designed for short city flights. It is flown in Singapore and Paris. Target launch: Paris Olympics 2024. Fast, safe, and eco-friendly. Number 3. The Lilium Jet. This flying car looks like a mini jet. It flies 175 miles per hour and covers long regional routes. Lilium is building air hubs in Florida and Germany, ideal for city-to-city travel. Number 2. Archer Midnight from the USA. Perfect for 10 to 20 minute city, fully electric and vertical takeoff. United Airlines has already ordered several test flights begin in 2025. Number 1. Joby Aviation. The closest thing to a flying Uber, backed by Toyota and the US military. It's silent, electric, and roof-to-ready. Commercial launch expected in Los Angeles and New York by 2025. The future of flying cars is almost here. Would you ride one of these air taxis? Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more tech of the future.